in order for you to withdraw from a watch only wallet, what you need is a BE Exchange app and logins. And mind you, it's not free. We buy the BE Exchange app and logins. Yes. So this is how the BE Exchange app look like. So after getting it, you have to enter. Yes, we buy it. It comes with a code. So just check the description and message me. And if you don't know how to load a watch only wallet too, check my previous video. I showed how to load it. So when you get it, you come to withdraw. Then you put your BNB watch only address here, and you enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Yes. Okay. So the watch only, this is the amount that's inside. Yes. So you have to set a pin and you load the watch only. In my previous video, I showed how to. Now if you don't also know, you can text me, check the description, message me at WhatsApp, and I'll show you the steps to load a watch only, and I'll give you the address too. The address too is found in the description. Then you enter the amount. So let's withdraw 500,000, and the reference code is 2244. But if you come to my DM, I will give you your reference code. Then the mobile number is, you repeat it. When you come to my DM, the mobile number is 2. I will generate it and I will link it for you. It also comes with a cost. You go on the bank name, on the number, Swift code. You withdraw. So when you come and you buy the watch only app and logins, the BE Exchange app and logins, I will show you the steps to withdraw. Yes, and also if you don't know how to load it, I will teach you the steps to load it. It's simple. Please subscribe to my channel, check the description and message me. Let's proceed. Thank you.